Hi, I'm Ashton with RAB Audio. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the ProRak Tray Expansion for your LS840. Remove the product from the box. Carefully remove the plastic wrap from the unit. Your instruction sheet and hardware pack can be found wrapped onto the unit itself. This product can be bought in two different trim colors, black and almond. Lay out all of your pieces and your hardware. Pull the mounting slides all the way out, then press the red lever to the side to release them. Attach the keyboard slides to the height adjustment panels with a Phillips head screwdriver. If you choose to use a drill, make sure you set your torque settings low so you do not strip the holes. Place the cap nuts into the two bottom holes on each side panel. Place the height adjustment panels with attached keyboard slides over the cap nuts and secure them to the side panels with 1/4 inch conformat screws. Attach the mounting slides to your new tray with the silver screws provided. There are 6 pre-drilled holes on the tray. Take out these 3 conformats from your LS840. Note, only do one side at a time and keep your desk upright. Do not lay it down. Place the side panel over the 3 holes on A2 and screw the 3 conformats through the side panel. Repeat for the opposite side of your LS840. Once everything is secured, you can attach your new tray by sliding the mounting slides into the keyboard slides. This has been a quick unboxing and assembly of the ProRak LS840 Tray Expansion. If you have any questions, please contact us at rabaudio.com.